Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi Zafran. Everybody calls me Zafran, and I am from Optimal Class. And this is my partner. Her name is.
My name is Ulfa Kusmaladin. You can call me Ulfa, and I'm from MS1OC.
Okay, today we want to talk about certificates or skill.
Okay, so interesting. So,
Yeah.
what will you choose about skill or certificate?
Okay, between them, I
Okay.
choose skill. Maybe.
Skill.
Yeah, skill is more important.
Okay, why you choose skill?
Because if you have a skill, you
Okay.
can do the job so great, so really good.
Okay.
But if you just have the certificates, that just make things easier to start.
Easier
But after
to
that, you
start.
can so difficult, so hard to
So hard to
do
continue your job. Okay. So, because you choose skill, you can give me the example why you choose skill. Give like the example job.
Okay.
Why the skill is so important.
Okay, for example,
Okay.
tonight,
In this era, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes.
I am studying a basic English course.
Okay.
I improve my skill about this English.
Okay.
So if I just have the certificate PEC,
BEC. Okay.
maybe I just can to find some job, like a good job maybe, but it's this easier.
Easier.
After that I can do the speak English very well.
English very well, and then.
But if I have the skills, but I don't have the certificate, I can do my job very well. But the so difficult is from I find the job is so difficult maybe because some company have to data maybe
Yeah,
the
have to
information.
continue with the certificate. Yeah, like you must have the official to get the okay. I want to give my opinion because in this era, many people have much money, and then they can buy the certificate,
Yeah.
but they don't have skill.
No.
You know about that. In
Yes.
this era,
Yeah.
many people like that, and you can
Specifically
imagine.
in Indonesian, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can imagine.
Yeah.
If about me, the example, I want to be like the government,
Okay.
and then I have the certificate, but I don't have skill to do. What will I do in the office?
I
Like
think
that,
that's
yeah.
so very bad.
Yeah.
Because you just have the job, but
Have
you
the
can
job.
do
Yeah.
the good job.
Yes, like
You
that.
can do the work
Okay.
very well. So let's make other people
Yeah, to do the
negative.
job, like yes, the negative. Okay. So, I wanna ask you, how about your maybe in your hometown or maybe in your family about the skill or certificate? In your family, maybe prefer to choose certificate or skill?
Oh, my parents also tell me
Okay.
you have to the skill.
Skill.
Yeah. Not the certificate. Certificate is not important for them because the skills is more important.
More important. So,
Yeah.
what do you think about certificate in this era? Maybe you want, maybe you have the opinion about the more, more important certificate in this era.
In this era, specifically in Indonesia,
Yes, in Indonesia.
many people just bought the certificate,
Certificate.
but they cannot to show the skills.
Show the skill.
So let us
They just have like, okay,
so if you want to find a job, this is my opinion.
yes,
You have to improve your skill.
improve your skill.
It's not about your certificate.
Okay.
Okay, that's all maybe.
Okay.
That's enough.
So,
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.